Excitement is building up as the days draw closer to the highly anticipated fundraising dinner concert featuring the legendary national artist for music, Cayabyab. This event is hosted by the Philippine Obstetrical and Gynecologist Society, or POGS Cebu Chapter, and it promises an unforgettable evening of both good music and delicious food. POGS is a society of Cebu-based OBGYNs dedicated to promoting the reproductive health of women and children in Cebu. For decades, they have spearheaded numerous initiatives and projects addressing various issues including fetal well-being, adolescent health, and women's cancer awareness, among others. In this particular dinner concert, the proceeds will benefit the Women and Children Protection Committee, or WCPC.
One of the advocacies that is very rarely talked about, and admittedly one of the advocacies that we rarely get funding for, is the WCPC committee, Women and Children Protection Committee. And you, as you work in media, I'm sure you've had several exposures about domestic abuse, violence against women, gender-based violence, they call it gender-based violence now, no? And the like, right?
POGS is on a mission to tackle the rising issue of domestic abuse in Cebu. Through this program, they aim to offer preventive measures, acute care, and comprehensive rehabilitation and recovery programs for victims.
As obstetricians, gynecologists, we don't just want to stay at the medical na side, na, we treat the bruises, the sexually transmitted infections. We don't want to go just there. We want to start at the beginning, that they are empowered, that they know what to do, and at the end, should they be unfortunate victims of abuse, we are able to help them get up. So, as I said earlier, we usually do not get any funding for this. So, I'm hoping that this fundraiser will be able to help kick off that three-prong advocacy.
This fundraiser dinner concert will feature the maestro himself, and joining him will be the Cayabyab Singers, a 7-piece powerhouse ensemble, and Cebuano fashion designer turned full-time musician, 𝗥𝘆𝗆𝗃. At the press conference for the concert held last July 22 at the Waterfront Hotel, Cayabyab shared his excitement, noting that it's been a long time since he last performed in Cebu.
I haven't done a Cebu performance in a long time because all I did before was do workshops for songwriting or workshops for a cappella open.
When asked what audiences should expect from his Cebu performance, Cayabyab revealed that it will feature a mix of some of his favorite tunes from his childhood.
We have a full-type concert, full-type performance, and we usually do, especially when we go abroad, we usually do only Filipino-made songs. But for this particular concert, we'll also do some of the songs that I grew up with. So basically, it's going to be a nice trek. So you will also learn kung sino yung mga influences ko as I was growing up.
Cayabyab is urging fans to grab their tickets now, as they're selling out quickly. He's also extending a warm invitation to everyone to join him at this highly anticipated concert.
Mga bay ug day, I'd like to invite you to a very special concert on August 3 at 6 p.m. It's a Saturday, and it's going to be at the Grand Pacific Ballroom of Cebu Waterfront, and I'm going to be with the Cayabyab Singers with special guest Miss 𝗥𝘆𝗆𝗃, and this will benefit the POGS Cebu Women and Children program, protection program. Please buy your tickets now because tickets are going fast, and I really want to meet all of you and sing for you and say hello to Cebu.
Tickets to the Cayabyab Live in Cebu concert are available on smtickets.com, or you may reserve them through the POGS hotline number 0917-324-0650. Tickets are priced at 7,000 pesos for VIP, 5,000 pesos for gold, and 4,000 pesos for silver. Don't miss your chance to be part of this unforgettable evening. This has been 𝗖𝗆 𝗆𝗆 𝗔𝗂𝘃 of MyTV Cebu.